Hi friends, a very good morning. I'm back today with one more video. Today I'm going to talk about a very different field, and it's of course an upcoming trend. But yes, when we go for the contemporary, most of us go for those which are already existing. Like Robert Frost said, the road not taken. So there are few people who take these roads. And one of that course is actuarial science. Yes, we all are well informed about CA, but what is actuary science? Science. It employs different skills of statistics and mathematical methods, and that is to assess the quantum of financial risk. You can say that it is based on the probability theory, and it uses statistics to analyze and solve the financial situation of uncertain future events. In a simple language, it is just like a weather forecast. And this forecast is based on mathematics and assumptions. Actuary professionals basically guide the companies and the individuals about the risk investment that they can suffer in the future based on the statistics and possibilities. It uses the subjects like mathematics, probability, statistics, finance, economics, and computer science. So, if statistics and mathematics is your forte, then definitely you can think about a career in actuarial science. We have actuarial science in both undergrads and PG level. You must be from commerce background with maths. Even students from the science background can also pursue the same. And English must be one of the subjects of the first language. There is no age limits for candidates who are taking this exam. And basically, you must secure 60% in your class 12 and 70% aggregate in maths is compulsory. There are certain routes to pursue actuarial science. If you are pursuing it at the postgrads level, then if you must have passed BSc or BCom with at least 50% aggregate. And you must have mathematics and statistics as two of the main subject in your grads. The Institute of Actuaries of India, just like what we have for CA and others, we also have Institute of Actuaries of India, IAI. They conduct their own university level entrance exams called as ACET. That's Actuarial Common Entrance Test. And it is conducted thrice in a year, April, June, and December. And it is also conducted in 3 stages, CT, CA, and ST. One must qualify all the 3 stages to get a credential by IAE. Now, the very first thing comes that what is my career if I become an actuarial science? An actuary in India typically works in insurance. That's life insurance, general insurance, health insurance, reinsurance, pension funds, investments, academics, risk management. And it depends, the role depends from product pricing, financial modeling, valuation, risk management, social security schemes. Some of the best companies who have hired actuaries in India are Max Bupa Health Insurance, WNS, Towers Watson, PwC, Actuarial Services India, Mercer. Directorate of Postal Life Insurance, McKinsey, ENY, Milkman, Swiss Re, and others. So it's really a highly demanding career. So now the way comes how we can pursue actuary. See, in your course, when if you're there are two ways, as I said. Either you can go through the college or you can directly apply for actuarial science from the institutes. If you are going for BSc actuarial science, it's divided into 6 semesters and you study calculus, statistics and probability, mathematical functions, actuarial accounting, foreign economics, actuarial economics, general insurance, maths, liability insurance, business research, global research, etc. You can get a very good job. It can be an actuary, it can be an auditor, it can be budget analyst, it can be cost estimators, economist, financial analyst, insurance underwriters, mathematicians, and others. And the average salary has been from 7 to 10 lakh per annum. And it is not stagnant, it goes on. Basically, you need to have problem solving skills. That's because you are going to handle complex data. You are going to identify the pattern to find out the factors responsible for certain outcomes. So you require analytic understanding and problem solving skills. You also need to have mathematics brilliance. Means you should be easy to work with calculus, statistics, probability and all. Of course, we are now technologically upgraded. So you need to be technically knowledgeable. Should have deep insight or knowledge about business and finance, because you are going to learn, you are going to prevent the financial losses. So unless and until you don't have the interest, that won't come out. And last but not the least, good communication and interpersonal skills. Means you should have strong hold over your communication. It's very, very important because you need to make the common people understand. When we talk about the colleges, we have Christ University, the one of the renowned university, who is having MSc in actuarial science. Then we have Chandigarh University, which is also offering BSc in actuarial science. Satyabhama University, Tamil Nadu, again MSc. Then we have BS Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute, Chennai, MSc. Madras University, MSc in Actuarial Science Self-Finance. Amity University, Noida branch, BSc in Actuarial Science. Shivaji University, again BSc. These are some of the private universities or private colleges where you have the scope to apply for actuarial science. Then you also have the direct entry. Even we are having BBA. If you are applying to actuarial science, IAI, that's the Institute of Actuarial Science, then there you need to go through certain certifications. The first is core technical stage, which is called as CT. You will be having the courses like mathematics, financial reporting, statistics, models, general insurance, statistic method, business economics, financial economics, risk management. Then you need to go to the second stage, that is specialist stage. Health and care, life insurance, pension, finance and investment, general insurance, enterprise risk management. Then the third one is specialist application stage. Overall, you have to give 10 papers, and in the specialist stage, you can select two. You have the electives, and that consists of health and care, life insurance, general insurance, pension, finance, investment. Where you want to go, that depends on that. So, it means you have two approaches. One is if you are going through any colleges, you are going through any universities, you have. Second one is, of course, you can directly enroll yourselves. You can go for, but when I talk about the second one, we need to understand one thing, that if you are going through ACET, it's an online exam which they conduct. It's 180 minutes, 3 hours paper. There is total number of questions 70, mathematics 30, statistics 30, data interpretation 15, English 15, and logical reason 10. And the qualifying mark is 50%. This is ACET eligibility criteria. Or else you can go for the non-ACT, that is you can do for MBA, you can go for BSc, MSc, anything, and then you can enroll yourselves. We also have BCom, but it is in Bharatiya University in Chennai. So you can also apply through them. You can register, and once you clear all these 10 papers, you will be given the membership. In fact, the field of actuary science is slowly gaining popularity. In other places, abroad, we have lots of scopes. But in India, many of the students, what they do is even they drop out after certain exams. Means you have to pass all. Certain times, for example, I said CT. In CT, you have to pass 9 exams, the first stage. Then in the core application, you need to pass 3. That is all the 3. And in specialist technician, you need to pass 2. And when it comes to SA specialist and application, you need to take 1. Once you clear all the 9 CT papers and all the 3 CA papers, you are eligible to become an associate members of IAI. You can also become the fellow members. Let me tell you one thing, becoming an actuary is a tough process, and very, very skilled professionals clear all these levels. Many students, in fact, as I told you, quit it because there are job opportunities even if you are clearing 2 or 3 papers. And that's why this industry is facing a resource crunch. Therefore, if you are really onto maths, as it has been always said that it is something very difficult, very tough. And we actually don't know what to do when we are taking up maths or statistics. This particular field can definitely help you out to cherish your dreams. And it's not, my friends, in India, it is abroad also. And the packages, you won't believe. It's unbelievable. So if you have a flair towards maths, statistics, if you are a commerce student with maths or even with science background, you can definitely think about this skill. You can definitely think actuarial science as one of your career. And as you can see that now we all are financially aware. Gone are the days when we did not know what was savings about, what was investment about. Yes, we used to have the savings, the small saving, but we never used to have what we call as investment. Today, the youngsters, the youth, it's quite aware. They know where to invest, when to invest, and investments are coming up, and even the government is giving many lucrative schemes. And we need certain professionals who can definitely forecast about the risk associated with such financial investments. Some period or some time ago, it was very risky to invest in share markets. But today, you can say the IPOs are coming. SEBI is also easing its aims, easing its regulations. But at the same time, we also need to know that what are the risk factors which are associated with such investments, pension plans, insurance. Decades before, insurance was okay. Death hui, unki family ko paisa mil gaya. Then came up with the health insurances. It's very important that we all are insuring ourselves so that in case of any adverse situation, we are not facing the financial crunch. But today, this arena has differently expanded. Thus, and with what we call as advent of technology, advent of what we call as globalization, we have ample opportunities. Of course, opportunities, as it is said that every coin has two faces. So opportunities are also associated with risk, and we need to analyze these risks. So we need people. In the coming days, my friends, believe me, actuarial sciences is going to be one of the most sought courses, just as we have for MBA, CA, CS or LLB. If you have any query regarding this career or anything, be free to contact me. This is Dr. Rama Raghavan. You can contact me on my phone number as well. You can WhatsApp me. We also have the psychometric brain mapping test. The brain mapping test which tells about your interest, your aptitude towards any field. You can take a psychometric test which is available at a very moderate rate. Believe me, at a very moderate rate. And fix up a one-to-one Zoom meeting for any of your career related problems. So goodbye for now. Meet you with a new video next time. Lining up in my queue, airport management, and of course, the very famous chartered accountancy. Goodbye.